morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about plant life from general knowledge. Children, there are so many different types of plants around us, right? Yes, some plants are big, some are small, some have flowers on it, whereas some have thorns. Yes, children, this is a thorny plant. It is a cactus. It has so many thorns on it. We can't touch that. Okay? Yes. Some plants climb up, taking support of a wall or pole. Yes. Some plants, they crawl on the ground. And you all know, children, plants grow everywhere. They grow on land, they grow on water, they grow on rocks also. Yes, you might have seen plants growing on rocks. They grow on walls also. Yes, children. And some plants even grow on mountains. And you all know, children, plants grow under the water, deep inside the sea. Okay? Yes. And plants even grow in hot regions like deserts where the sun shines very bright. There also plants grow. Yes, children. And even in cold regions, snowy regions also, plants grow. So children, plants grow everywhere. We can see plants everywhere. Right, children? Yes. Now children, like we have different parts of body, even plants have different parts. You all know that? You all want to see? Yes, so I'm going to tell you now the different parts of a plant. Children, this is the parts of a plant. Children, some parts are below the ground and some plants are above the ground. Okay? These are roots of the plant. The roots are below the ground. We can't see the roots because they are below the ground in the soil. Okay? This is the stem of the plant. This is the fruit of the plant. This is the flower of the plant. This is the leaf of the plant. Okay, children? So these are the different parts of a plant. Root, stem, fruit, flower and leaf. Okay, children? Now, children, you all know there are so many different types of plants. Yes, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These are the different types of plants. Now, let's see them one by one. Trees. Children, trees are very tall, thick and strong. Okay, they have a very strong stem and it is called as a trunk. You all can see this? Yes, this is the trunk of the tree. It is very broad and it is very thick. Okay, a tree has many branches. You all can see the branches of the tree? Yes, it has so many branches and leaves on it. Okay, trees gives us flowers and fruits. Now let's see some of the examples of trees. Mango tree, banyan tree and coconut tree. These are the examples of trees. Okay. Now let's see the next one. That is shrubs. Now what are shrubs, children? They are small bushy plants and they are strong plants. Okay. They have a thin and woody stem. They are like bushes. Okay, children? Yes. The examples of shrubs are tulsi. You all might be having a tulsi plant at home, right? It is a shrub. Yes, children. Then rose plant. It is a shrub. Mehendi plant. Okay, these are the examples of Shrubs. The next one is herbs. Children, herbs are small plants. They have soft and green stem. We see herbs daily in our kitchen. Yes, you all want to know what are herbs? Yes, coriander is an example of herb. You all know coriander, right? Yes. Then mint, basil. All these are examples of herbs. Children, most of the herbs are used to make medicines also. Yes, and they are used to make spices also. Spices we use every day in our food, right? Yes, children. The next one is climbers. Children, you all know some plants are so weak that they take support of other plants, walls or poles to grow. Okay, they can't stand on their own, so they take support of either walls or poles or even other plants, right? Yes, see, this is a example of climbers. Peas, okay, it has a very weak stem, it can't stand on its own, so it takes the support of a pole. Okay, the next one is money plant. Money plant is also an example of climbers. Grapevine. Okay, all these are examples of climbers. The next one is creepers. Children, like climbers, creepers also have very soft stem. Okay, soft and weak stem. They can't stand on their own, so they crawl on the ground. Okay, like this. Examples of creepers are pumpkin. They grow along the ground only. Okay. Then another example is watermelon and cucumber. Okay. All these are examples of creepers. Now children, do you all know how plants grow? Yes, most of the plants grow from seed. Okay. See, you all can see over here. This is a seed. Okay, when we put the seed in the soil, it grows into a baby plant and slowly and steadily it turns into a big plant. Okay, you all can see the roots have come out of the seeds. The leaves have started coming out of the seeds. Okay, this is how plants grow. Now, let's see the life cycle of a plant. This is the life cycle of a sunflower. Okay. Now, here you can see these are the seeds of the sunflower. Okay. When we sow these seeds in soil, what happened? The seeds start sprouting. Okay. And after some days, small shoots come out of the seed like this. See, you all can see here the seed has sprouted and the small baby plant has started coming out of the seed. Then after some days it grows bigger and bigger and then it turns into a big plant like this. Okay, then when it is fully grown up, it start giving flowers. Okay, then again when the seeds of the sunflower are put in the soil, they again start growing into a plant. Okay, children, so this is the life cycle of a plant. Children, like we need food to live, plants also need food to live and grow. Okay, they also need food to grow and to survive. Now what plants need to grow and survive? They need water, soil, sunlight and air to grow and survive. This is the food of plants. Now you all know, children, like us, plants can't move from their place, right? They can't move from their place. They make their food by themselves only. What they do, you know? The roots of the plant, they absorb minerals and water from the soil. Okay, they absorb water and minerals from the soil. And the leaves collect the sunlight from the sun, and this is how they make their food. Okay. Children, plants are very important for all living things and also for the environment. Children, plants give good air, that is the oxygen which we breathe in, and they absorb bad air, that is the carbon dioxide which we exhale. Plants give food to human beings and animals also. Now let's see what plants give us. They give us food grains, fruits, vegetables, oil. Apart from that, plants gives us wood. Now children, wood is used to make houses, boats, furniture, paper. Okay, these are the uses of wood, and we get wood from plants and trees. Children, this is cotton. Now what is cotton? We get cotton from plants. Okay, we get cotton and jute from plants. And cotton and jute is used to make clothes that we wear every day. Okay, yes. Children, some plants even gives rubber also. These are rubber plants. Okay, you all can see here. This is the rubber collected from the plants. Now what is rubber used for? Rubber is used to make tires of the vehicles. Okay. And you all know children, we get gum from tree. The glue that we use to stick papers. Okay. This gum we get from trees only. Okay children? Yes. And children, some flowers like rose, jasmine, lavender, they are used to make perfumes, soaps and talcum powder. They have a very nice fragrance, right? They are used to make perfumes, soaps and talcum powders. Children, plants and trees make the air clean, because of which we get rainfall. It is all because of trees and plants that we get rainfall. Yes. Plants provide food to animals. And the most important thing is plants are the shelter to many animals. They are the homes of many animals. Yes, most of the animals, birds, they live on trees only. Yes, you all want to see? Yes, this is monkey. Monkey lives on tree. Right, children? Yes. This is squirrel. Squirrel makes a hole on the tree trunk and it lives inside that hole. This is panda. Panda lives on trees. These are birds. You all can see children? Yes, birds make their nest on trees. Right? Yes, like this way. Trees are very important for animals because trees are the homes of many animals. Children, plants are very important for us. We should not cut the trees. We should take proper care of plants and trees and save the environment by growing more trees. Okay. So children, we have learned about plants. What are the different types of plants, parts of plants, and what are the uses of plants. Right children? Yes. Now let's have a quick recap session. What are the different parts of a plant? The different parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. What are the types of plants? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers are the different types of plants. How do plants help us? Tell me, children, how do plants help us? What they give us? Yes, plants give us oxygen to breathe. Okay, now children, let's sing a song now. You all have to sing along with the teacher. Okay. Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The roots they hold the plant in place, the plant in place, the plant in place. The roots they hold the plant in place, soak up food and water too. Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The stem moves water up the plant, up the plant, up the plant. The stem moves water up the plant, bring water to the leaves. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun and help the plant make food. Yes, very nice. Okay. So you all understood the topic today, children? Yes, take care. We'll meet in another session. Thank you.